When I first put the camera down, I could see with light that I was hitting something, and I was imagining that there were skeletal arms that were blocking the passage down. So here's what we're going to do today. I've been planning this adventure for the last couple weeks. I'm on a property that is next to a farm that I was metal detecting on not too long ago, and through the woods I could see the roof of an old house or a building or something. I just had to check it out. And there's a well here right in front of me. It's a stone lined well that's full of water, and I'm just dying to know what's in it. Now the one fear I have, and I know you're gonna think I'm crazy, and maybe I am just a little bit, but sometimes not so much. We're very close to the interstate. In fact, you can probably hear the vehicles in the distance. For some reason, I've been imagining some trucker that knows about this well stopping in occasionally and, well, just making a deposit of someone he has murdered on the road. The well right there's actually a little wall around it. I've been sitting here for about a half an hour just listening and watching, making sure there's no other people out here, no bodies being dragged to the woods. I thought that was a skull. I would love to set like a motion activated camera up here at night and see if there's anything that crawls in or out of this well when it's dark. I might do that. Well, I'm not going to review the footage until I get home because I don't really want to know that there's something disgusting and really scary down there until we get off the property. Hear that? It's the sound of a truck skidding on the gravel on the side of the road coming to a stop. We best be skedaddling.